Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm going to be unboxing a very late Ipsy Glam bag for December. This is our OG Ipsy Glam bag. This is $13 a month. You'll receive 5 travel, try-me size makeup beauty items and a cosmetics bag. Occasionally, we get lucky and get a full size. Also, Ipsy and Boxy are one and the same. Call it Ipsy Charm. Thank me later. And this theme is treat yourself. Don't forget to get a little something for yourself too. Shop our closet clearance sale starting December 14th. Not sure if that's still going on because, you know, my bag was so late. And there is our bag for the month. I'm also filming in my bathroom because we have guests in town right now. So we have people sleeping in the beauty room, and that's just fine. So we're making do. I hope you're well. I hope you're enjoying Christmas. We're gonna be wrapping up soon, you guys. We have 10 days. 10. Can you guys believe this? I hope you're enjoying Christmas. I'm having a blast. I only see 4 things in my bag. Okay, it was this late, I was about to get pissed if I thought I only had 4 items. I have 5. I have an SL Miss Glam brush, and it is beautiful. I love brushes, and most of the brushes that I have actually are from Ipsy. Definitely getting unicorn vibes. Alright, that's cool. I like getting brushes. Next up, we have a Christoph Robin scrub, cleansing, purifying scalp scrub. That's hard for me to say, y'all. Scalp scrub. I don't need this. I don't use things like that, so I'll pass it along. Next, Sophia and Maybelle, the Stack Eyeshadow Duo, and it says So Festive. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, festive. It's gonna be reds, golds, greens, maybe black and silver, smoky. That is cute as hell, you guys. I've been using the lip oil that I got from them in my last Ipsy, and the highlight is also fantastic. Ooh, very pretty. It has one matte shade, like a brownie shade, and then I stuck my finger in this one, and then also a shimmer shade. I'm also going to put that in my PIF. If you watch this back, I accidentally stuck my finger in it. I'm very sorry. Next, we have a Biro Pear Serum Oil, and is a teeny tiny little itty bitty sample. And then last is a Clarks Ultra Rich Lip Balm. That sounds amazing. I love any kind of lip balm and lip treatment. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but I know I don't want to open it because I have so many open right now. Not my favorite bag, but we did get our brush and our little eyeshadow duo, so they give you a brush to use it with, and a lip balm, which can be classified as makeup, and then our little serum and a hair product. Not my favorite. Not my favorite at all. Not horrible, but I'm not jumping for joy. What did you think? What did you get in your bag this month? That is it, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.